How to share someone's story on Facebook. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So in order to do so, you may head over to Facebook. One of the most easiest way is sharing the story that you are tagged in. So for that, you may head over to notification. And when you go to notification, you will be finding a notification that someone has tagged you in the story. You can tap on it. And once you do, you should be finding option called add this to your story on your screen. This one right here. Tap on it. And then after tapping on it, you may share it however you prefer. You may squeeze it out, squeeze it in, and tap on the share option in the bottom. And then after that, you may wait for some seconds and your story should be posted. So that is the method you can use in order to share someone's story on Facebook. It is one of the easiest way. So for now, I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.